Hello you guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video we will be making a crochet beanie. We're going to be using the Yarn Inspirations Karen Chunky Cupcakes yarn. I got it from Michaels. It was $7.99, so the price is correct on there. And we're going to be making the beanie, and I'm going to be showing you what it looks like. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I mean, we can take this off because it's going to be in the way anyway. And this is how it comes. I like this yarn because it comes with the bow, the pom-pom on top already. So you won't have to make one or go buy one. So anyway, let's get into the beanie. So first thing you're going to do is make your slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot and you haven't been watching my beginner crocheter videos, you should go ahead and watch those videos because I'm not going to explain in this video. So anything that needs to be slowed down, you can go watch those videos, come back, and then you'll be prepared to do this tutorial. So we're going to chain 39. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put 8 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 single crochets. Then for the rest, we're going to put 30 half double. So everyone should know how to do single and half doubles. And that's what we're going to do all the way down till we get to the last one. And this is round 1, and I will come back once we have round 1 finished and we're ready for round 2. Okay, so we're done with round 1. This is what it's looking like right now. Let me back the camera up a little bit. This is what round 1 is looking like. So I chained 1. Now we're going to turn our work, and we're just going to work down 30 half double crochets back down. 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, By the way, I think this is a 3.5 or 4 hook. I don't remember. The link for the yarn will be down in the description box as well. Okay, so now we should have, you count to 30 and then you have 8 left, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just gonna count, so I have one more to do. One more half double crochet to do, and then I should have 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's going to be how you're going to be doing your hat. As you can see, there's a slight change because we did the single crochets down here and the half double down here. So you're going to do that for 50 rows, but I'm going to meet you guys back at 40 rows and show you what it's looking like and how it should be looking. Obviously, colors change may vary if you're using the yarn that I'm using. If not, then, you know, continue on with what you're doing. But 8 single crochets to start it off, 30 going down, 30 back up, 8 single crochets, 8 single crochets going down, then 30, then go back up 30, and then 8 again. So, like I said, I will meet you guys back at 40 rows, and I'll show you guys what it's looking like. Okay, guys, so this should be 40 rows. As you can see, where the single crochets are, and this is how it should be looking. Let me fold it so you guys can see how it has that, like, you can tell where the top of the hat is versus the bottom half of the hat. And then we can just count our rows. Let's see if we have 40. So then that means we would have to do 10 more rows and then we will be done with the hat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, guys, so this is 40 rows. And I do have a row counter. And if you don't have a row counter, that's fine, but I was using mine. So now I'm going to press it because we're going to do row 41. And I will meet you guys back when we get to row 50. Okay, guys, so this is the hat at 50 rows. Let me open it up for you guys so you can see. And this is me closing it. This is the hat sideways. So now we're going to close this up. And then we're going to cinch the top, and I will show you what I'm doing to cinch the top, but come back when you have this closed.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off, fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Joke with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Okay guys, so here's the hat. I flipped it on the opposite side, and this is what the top is looking like. You can flip it back on the other side. You can cinch it in if you want it to be more like this one. As I showed you guys, I cinched it in. That's how you just go back and forth with a piece of yarn and then pull it together. This one I added a pom-pom to, and this one is what that's looking like right now. And just turn around so you guys can see it. I showed you it on my head, and this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I really appreciate you guys watching. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel, watch this video all the way to the end, and come back for next time, as I will be showing you guys how to make other things and watch my other tutorials. Subscribe, and thank you as always.